Welcome back, everybody, to another Roaming Speed video. Today, we are going to check out a new gas propane fire pit that just came in from Amazon. So stay tuned, let's unbox it, let's talk about it, and give it a test. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, I typically don't do unboxing videos. But this one, I kind of saw some videos that people did and wasn't really happy with it. So for my followers here, I thought I would open it and take a look at it, kind of talk about why we did it, and move on with putting it together and seeing if it's worth the money. So with some of the trips we're going on this year and some of last year, we noticed that you cannot have a conventional fire. So firewood, you know, all that, or you're having to buy firewood at a premium price in the park, and it just doesn't make sense. So for a few of these trips, we're gonna try this thing. This is the Outdoor Living. Let's flip this camera around, hold on. All right, this is Outdoor Living or Outland Firebowl 883 DS. So this is a propane fire pit, like you can hook up to a conventional propane, like your grill. Comes with a 3-meter hose, which is 10 foot, a soft cover, and rock. So we're gonna unbox this thing, open it up, hook it up, see how good it is, and you know, kind of just talk about it as we're doing it. So stay tuned. All right, I will say this thing is pretty heavy in the box. One thing I did notice, it is pretty heavy when I carried it from the front porch to the garage here. Sorry for the noise every time I move this thing. That's what it is. Owner's manual. Flip through that. We don't need that where we're going. Bag of rock. Bag of rock. All right, it looks like 10-foot hose, like we talked about. Nice on, medium, low, high valve. This alone is not very heavy, probably 3, 4, 5 pounds. So, what else we got here? Another piece. And the cover. So let's see where this thing goes. Oh, this is for your propane stabilizer ring. So you set your propane down in this. It looks like all we need to do is put the rocks in here. Seems super easy, just like your grill. Got this with this guy. So they say to ignite it, light the fire. Just like that. So they say you can move the rocks around to get a different flame pattern, but since this is going with us on trips, I'm really not too concerned about it moving them around. But I can tell you this, it's already putting out quite a bit of heat, but that's on high for everybody. That's low. It's got a little whistle to it. Just a little bit higher. But yeah, seems super easy to use. Super quick. It's putting out some heat. So I think I read that the propane tank would last about 8 hours. So I just wanted to do this video and see how quick and easy it was to put together, and how quick you can have a fire with no firewood, no smelling like smoke or anything like that. So, you know, this is pretty good in my book. All right, so the Outland Firebowl Mega 883. Is it worth it? At this time, it's March, first week of March of 2022. I paid $187 at Amazon for this. And as of right now, we may get a follow-up video, but as of right now, it seems like it's gonna fit the bill. It's not too heavy. You know, it's probably, you know, a good 20 pounds, 25 pounds once all the rock and everything is in it. So keep that in mind. But, you know, if you don't want to smell like campfire, you don't want to deal with wood, you don't want to deal with all that, this is for you. If you like, you know, tinkering with the fire, you like the smell, the ambiance, you know, the nostalgic fire, you know, sitting around the fire, this isn't for you. But quick, easy setup, ready to go. A lot of parks are going to no, you know, open fires. You know, Disney World, I know you can't do conventional fires. You have to have a gas propane fire pit. So keep that in mind. So if you have any questions, post them down below. I'll try to answer them. And you guys keep roaming.